I would like to continue the previous video about GNOME customization. If you remember, in the previous videos, we already installed GNOME Tweaks, installed wallpaper, cursors, icons, and then managed them from GNOME Tweaks. In this video, I will share with you about shell themes. Shell themes in here doesn't mean the GNOME shell extensions like the one we can download from GNOME shell extension website. Shell theme change the shell elements like the top panel, system tray, message tray, and notifications. We can install shell themes separately without installing themes. And to manage shell themes, we need to install and enable a GNOME shell extension. It means we need GNOME extension apps to manage GNOME shell extensions. Before we continue, there are 3 things that need to be done. First, installing GNOME extensions app, and the second step is installing and enabling a GNOME shell extension called user themes, and the third is enabling user themes from the GNOME extensions app. Let's open the terminal and we need to install the GNOME extensions app. Sudo dnf install GNOME extensions app and type yes for installing. Okay, the installation process is finished, and then go to the application overview. As we can see here, now there's a launcher for the GNOME extensions. Okay, so this is the GNOME extensions app. Then go to the extensions.gnome.org, extensions.gnome.org, and then install this extension user themes. Wait, I need to install this first. Okay, add, so it will manage the GNOME extensions from our browser. Okay, and then I will refresh first. Okay, so right now we can install this extension from here. We just need to click this, install. I need to install the extension from here because it cannot be found from the official repo of Fedora. After the installation finish, we need to go to the extension again, and then let's check user themes. This one, it's already enabled. After we done installing, we can continue to add the shell themes, and shell themes can be managed on GNOME Tweaks. So because I don't have the GNOME Tweaks yet, so I need to install the GNOME Tweaks. the installation is complete. And for saving the GNOME shell themes, you can save the themes into home.theme for local usage, and if you want to install it for all users in a computer, you can install in usr share themes. Okay, and the source of the shell theme, usually I find it in gnomelook.org here. Fedora provides shell themes as well, but usually I use shell themes from gnome-look.org because I can see the result from the screenshot pictures provided before I install it. Let's continue to the example number 1. Download from gnome-look.org and use it for a current user. In this video, right now I'm using the SP user, so I will install this first example for SP user only. Actually, I already chose a shell theme. It's called Black Maya. This one. I will use this for the example number 1. And after I go to this page, then click the Files tab here. Then I will click the first row, this one. As you can see here, there's a column called version. Maybe it's related to my GNOME version, which is using GNOME 43. I will download this first. Before we continue, just for your information, in this video I'm using Fedora 37 workstation. Fedora 37 workstation, and the GNOME version is 43. Okay, let's continue to the installation process. We need to go to the download folder because I saved the downloaded file in this folder. This one, as you can see here, Black Maya. And for local usage, we need to put the file into the home folder. Wait, I need to check first. Actually, we need to save this file first in the .themes, home.themes folder, and I don't have it yet, so I need to make it first. mkdir home.themes. Let's check again. This one. Now I have the folder. Okay, let's copy the Black Maya shell theme to home.themes. And then let's go to home.themes, and then we need to extract the file tar-xvf Black Maya. Let's check. I will remove the compressed file. Okay, let's open the GNOME Tweaks. GNOME Tweaks usually is in this folder, Tweaks. I will click continue and then go to the appearance, check in this shell part. There is a new shell theme here, Black Maya 43. I will choose Black Maya. Okay, let's see the differences between the default and Black Maya shell theme. I will go to the right menu. Everything becomes black, and if we use the default, the color is blue, and you can see in this area. I will change to Black Maya again. You can see the changes. Just reminding, if you didn't install or enable the user theme, you will get notification on this drop down. I will try to disable it so you can see the effect. Wait, where's my GNOME extensions app? This one. I will try to disable this extension, and let's reopen the GNOME Tweaks. Appearance. You can see there's a notification here. We need to enable the GNOME user themes. The user themes extension already enabled. I will reopen the GNOME Tweaks. Appearance, and now we can see the GNOME shell themes. I will close this first. Let's continue to example number 2. Download from gnome-look.org and use it for all users in the computer. I already choose a shell theme. This one. The name is WhiteSure shell. I will use this WhiteSure theme, and just like example number 1, after we got here, then go to the Files tab, and then it's different from example number 1. There's no version for this shell theme here. I think it will run well on all GNOME versions. Let's download it. To make it accessible for other users, we need to put the file in a certain system folder. So I will copy this file into that folder. This is the new shell theme that we just downloaded. I need to copy this file into a system folder. So I need to use sudo and then copy the WhiteSure shell theme into usr share themes. Let's go to the folder. After copying the file, we need to extract it with sudo because we will extract that file in a system folder. So the command will be like this: sudo tar -xvf, then the file name, enter. Let's check again. Now we have whitesur-lite. Let's check again in GNOME Twix. GNOME Twix appearance, and then click this. Now we have whitesur-lite. If we cannot see the new shell theme, we just need to reopen the GNOME Twix. And after opening the GNOME Twix, go to the appearance menu. Then on the shell part, we can see this whitesur shell theme. We can activate this shell theme, and let's check the changes. And this is the result from whitesur-lite. It's not good, so I will try the whitesur dark. Download. Let's go to the terminal again. Sudo cp whitesur dark to usr share themes. Let's go to usr share themes. Okay, I will extract the whitesur dark. Sudo tar -xvf whitesur dark. Okay, so I will delete the compressed file. Sorry. Wait. I think these compressed files already deleted in the first command. Okay, and then let's reopen the GNOME Twix. Appearance, and we now have the whitesur dark. Now let's check, and I will try to log in to the other user so we can prove that we can load the shell from another user. I will log out first. And then login with other user, Gunawan. I already created this user before. No thanks. After logging in into the other user, Let's go to GNOME Tweaks and see the list of the shell theme. Wait. Okay, so I think the GNOME shell extension is installed in the local folder, so I cannot load from the other user. I will install it. GNOME shell extension. I need to install this again because this is another user. Continue installation, add, and then OK, and then let's refresh the page. We need to install this. And then click this button, install. Okay, let's check again in the GNOME extensions app. So the user themes already enabled, and let's reopen the GNOME Tweaks. Appearance on the shell part. Let's check. Now we have white sur dark and white sur light. The other shell theme that we install locally, it is Black Maya shell theme. It doesn't appear here in the list. So let's try to activate this. Okay. Okay, so now we can load the shell theme from another user. I will close this and this, and I will also close the browser first. Okay everyone, let's continue to the example number 3. But before we continue, I would like to open a web page from Fedora magazine. According to this article, Fedora also provides shell themes in the official repo. Let's check it first. This one, we can find the shell themes from the terminal. Wait, let's go to the terminal. I will change the preferences first, and then make it bigger. Let's search DNF search shell theme. Okay, As we can see here, there are only a few shell themes provided by Fedora. I think it's about compatibility reasons. I will try this one. Sudo dnf install before installation. Just for your information, I'm still using the user Gunawan, and user Gunawan is in the sudoers, so I can use the sudo. Okay, enter. As we can see here, there are some dependencies that will be installed, and then I will type yes, enter. While installing, let's check the folder usr share themes. So we now have the Yaru shell themes. There are so many Yaru folders here. The shell theme that we install from Fedora official repo will be automatically accessible from another user because it is installed in the system folder. And then let's check in the GNOME Tweaks. Appearance, and in the shell part, now we have Yaru. Let's activate one of them. I will try Yaru Magenta. Let's check. So the color turns into magenta. Let's try again. Purple. Okay, so this is my conclusion. We need GNOME Tweaks for enabling the shell themes, but we need user themes enabled from GNOME extensions, so automatically we need to install GNOME extensions first. We can make shell themes accessible from a current user only, or make it accessible for entire users in a computer. If we want to make it accessible for entire users, we need to put the shell theme file in a certain system folder. It will need administrator permission. And also, Fedora provides some shell themes as well, but I like to download it from gnome-look.org because before we install it, we can see the result from the screenshots provided. Okay everyone, this is the end of video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to support this channel. See you in the next video.